Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to download the Modpack and install it and all that jazz. First off, I'm going to make sure that we have Java. Be java.com/en should basically look like this. You can press the Java download. You do agree and start new free download. I'll start downloading down here. Click it. It'll open. I'll ask you to make changes to your device. Press yes. And basically it says, welcome to Java. Basically things that don't really matter too much, so push install. Just wait for it. Out of date Java is detected. I'll just do uninstall and it will reinstall the new version. Out of date version successfully uninstalled. Well, you have successfully installed Java. There's a green check mark. You just close it. Then you're good for Java. Alright, next is Forge. Minecraft. Boop. Download for Minecraft Forge. I do download latest. Let's do the installer right here. Content available. Please wait 2 seconds. So do not, if there's any ads here or anything that says download, do not click here. It is up here and it'll push skip. It says this thing can harm your computer and is forge.1.16.5 dash other things. Push keep. Answer that jar. Oh, yeah, also Winrar. We probably will need that. So, let's go over how to do that. You go to Winrar, right here. You download Winrar right here. Press download. You don't need to buy it. It is free. It says it's free for 40 days, but in reality it's free forever, really. It says click the file below. Click yes. Select install in the installation process. Click OK, and select done, and you have successfully done Winrar. I already have it installed on this computer, so essentially just follow these steps, and if you have any questions, you could just ask me. Okay. Boop. Boop. Alright. Now, let's go down to the downloads. Boop. Downloads. Or I'm assuming, what was it? I can open with, I believe I could do open with Java Platform Binary. Then you do install client. You push OK. Successfully installed client for you. Basically it says it's successfully installed. Now, I believe, okay. Do I have the things? No. Okay, that's good. Well, I'll go to the Discord. Bloop. Assuming I can undock it from this window, bring it over here. I will go to the pinned comment. It is this. I'll just open it in the in private thing. Let's cut that and then paste it here, just so that I know if there's any issues. Shouldn't need to sign in. If it does, you could just sign in with the Google account. after it loads. Cool. I'm assuming there should be buttons there. Yeah, okay. There's a button that I think is right here. Just Google Drive can't scan for viruses. Download anyway. I can go back into the downloads folder. Downloads. It'll be zipmods.zip. Okay, and then this is the part I'm not entirely sure of. I'll do %app data %. I'm going to, looking at this, it'll probably be in Minecraft. Mods. Yes, here it is. Essentially, this is all the mods we have. And essentially you get that all in there by, well, I will actually show you how. I will actually make a new folder in here. I'll rename it to mod examples. Okay, now we go from the downloads, let's move it to here. Alternatively, you move it from here, the downloads file, down to the, again, %app data %. Move it into the Minecraft. Then there will be a thing called mods. It is right here. And then say this is the mods folder. Then this is zipmods.zip. You want to right click. You want to extract here. And that should be what you need. If it isn't, tell me. I'll try to figure out what went wrong. And have a good day.